Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, hi, hello, my name is Brianna, also known as BFT Post. And if you're not new, thank you so much for coming back. Today's video is a synthetic lace installation. And y'all, I bodied it. I bodied this. I truly did that. Like this edge right here, like I'm obsessed. Like I can't get over the fact that this was possible. The hair that I have right now is the Adanna Sensational Hair. It's the WhatLace hairline illusion lace wig. I guess y'all know better than me because there's so many names. I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys what I did to achieve this look, minus the curling, because that took quite a bit. Maybe in my next video, if I decide to curl my hair again, I'll share what I did. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Okay, so this is what it looks like on partially. It's given grandmother. It's very big. So far only like a few minimal tangles, but like I kind of expected that. Especially like as soon as I took it out of the box, I was like, damn. As soon as I hit the air, that's when the tangles started coming. But I like the fact that because it's blonde in the front, the knots are kind of bleached already because it's blonde hair. So that will help with making it a natural hairline. This is what it looks like underneath the cap. So I guess it's like 13 by 6, 13 by 4. But it only goes deep like within the middle. I'm not gonna do the ball cap method because it's really tedious, and I feel like I can get the whole illusion of bald cap or melted lace in a sense if I apply both my foundation color or powder both on my cap and on the wig. So I'm just gonna try that. I'm very vulnerable right now. I'm just going to put some free spray on my bald cap, or on my cap because it's not bald. When we take some Got2B, see, I think you guys can tell, like, I accidentally put foundation in the blonde, but it kind of works. It kind of works. It's kind of a vibe. It's kind of a vibe. I seen someone on TikTok, because that's where I get all my tips and tricks from, use Spritz instead of the Got2B to melt down their lace. And I haven't used Spritz in such a long time, which is why the bottle is like almost still full. So I'm gonna try that. And I'm gonna cut the lace. I'm gonna cut it in sections. This is what happens when you think you know so much and you end up cutting hair. Like, I think that's as good as it gets. I'm going to try to use a wax stick or a pomade stick to flatten the part a bit. This hair is very poofy. I got my hot comb. It's set to 15, but the way my finger moves, it could go to any at this point. And pray I don't burn it. Sorry. That wasn't bad. That wasn't bad. Wow. Wow. Yep. That shocks me. That shocks me. Not even going to lie. That shocked me. Caught me off guard. Yep. Wow. Yep. That one shocked me. That one shocked me. Truly. Just gonna turn this off. Okay, so I'm going to curl the hair. I just want to change the direction that it goes in, so I want this part to curl away from my face, and this part to like make a bang area type situation, like this. Yeah. So I'm really gonna do that off camera because the way that hot comb burned me, I don't want to catch any other moments like that on camera. I curled the hair. I did a side part. I curled it to my best ability. I find that, or I have found that working with synthetic hair, like, it takes patience because my straightener is just burnt with plastic at this point. Now I'm just gonna be adding baby hairs. Okay, this one is a little fatter, but also, like, I didn't lay this part down, so maybe it'll just hide the fact that that part is not laid. Okay, gonna come back with full face beat to put all this together. Okay, so I'm back with full face beat. I curled my hair, as I said before, but they definitely had dropped. And I put some flexi rods in because I wanted to hold some of the curls. It kind of holds a flexi rod. It takes flexi rods really good, so at least I know that for next time. I won't waste my time trying to curl it. Instead, I'll just do a flexi rod set with mousse maybe. Period. Okay. Adanna. Oh my goodness. I don't know who I am. It took me a while to get used to styling it in terms of like practicing what heat settings the hair would work on best. I suggest starting lower and then going higher up to its max, like so 400, so you're not like left with like burnt hair. And also, when I was curling my hair, it did not take the first few tries, like the first pass, second pass, third pass. I swear to God, I was on like the fifth pass until the hair could actually like grip onto the straightener and like maintain a curl. But I do like the flexi rods because look at this front bang. Like, if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and drop me some suggestions, some wig suggestions, especially in the synthetic ones, because human hair is quite expensive. I don't think I can do that for you. I'll be more than like happy to review them if they're within my price range. Gotta remember that too. And I'll see you guys in my next video.